Downloading and installing Teamviewer for Windows. The web browser I'm using is Google Chrome. Now I'm typing www.teamviewer.com. Now at the Teamviewer website, accept the cookies. On the left hand side, download for free. On the Google Chrome web browser, you scroll down, you see download for 64-bit version in my case. If you need 32, then you can click 32. But my Windows is a 64-bit Windows. So once you click it, it shows up on the bottom left hand side and you click keep. As it starts to populate, once the numbers start turning, and you will double click on Teamviewer setup. Once you double click on it, it opens up. I'm going to do default installation and hit accept. It's installing. Once it finishes installing, you hit accept the EULA agreement, then you hit continue. Now it opens up, shows your ID and password. If the screen pops up, click close. And here you have your ID and your password.